ORF, as it is commonly known, the condition, is a disease that is caused by a pox virus. Pox virus, are everywhere, throughout the world. And mostly they multiply where we've got a congregation of animals, so it's more opportunistic. So, but the important thing about this ORF is that, besides, affecting sheep, but also it can affect human beings that are working with animals, so in that manner, it's zoonotic. And therefore, yesterday, we did address the farmers here at the farm when we heard that, there are these ORF lesions. And, so that to tell them that they must always be careful and, whenever they see those lesions around the mouth, they should actually wear gloves, so that they do not get infected. What it causes in humans, it causes nodules, around the hands, etc. And therefore we also spoke about it, briefly together, with the NSPCA officials, not all of them, but those that were working with them when we were screening the animals, here in the field yesterday. We were also alerting them to the fact that it's a zoonotic disease, so they must always take precaution, around it. Now, the other important thing is that now that the animals were in quarantine, and we are happy that those that are loaded, they do not have this. We know that the animals will take about 12 to 14 days to arrive at their destination. And these animals are all intended for slaughter, upon arrival. And when they arrive on the other side, they also put them, in isolation on that side, and then they are sent from the abattoir, from there. So therefore, indeed, there is no risk, indeed, if anything, they would actually notice it before, they are slaughtered. So there is no risk that on the other side, it will affect the people that will be, working with the animals at the abattoir.